To fix a Zojirushi rice cooker that is not turning on, start by checking the power cord and plug for any signs of damage or wear. Ensure the cord is securely plugged into both the rice cooker and the electrical outlet. Next, check the circuit breaker or fuse box to ensure that the breaker has not tripped or a fuse has not blown. If the issue persists, try plugging the rice cooker into a different outlet to rule out any electrical issues. Inspect the rice cooker's power button and control panel for any signs of damage or debris. Clean the control panel gently with a soft cloth to remove any dirt or spills that may be interfering with the button's function. If the rice cooker still does not turn on, check the thermal sensor or thermostat, as it may be faulty. Consult the user manual or contact the manufacturer for guidance on how to check and replace the thermal sensor if necessary. Additionally, check the rice cooker's inner pot and lid for any blockages or debris that may be preventing the cooker from turning on. Ensure the lid is properly aligned and the inner pot is securely seated. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be a more complex problem requiring professional repair or replacement. It is recommended to contact Zojirushi's customer support or a licensed appliance repair technician for further assistance. Regular maintenance and cleaning of the rice cooker can help prevent issues and ensure optimal performance. Always refer to the user manual for specific guidance on troubleshooting and maintenance for your particular model.